Welcome to my channel. Vehicle names. Transportation. Means of transport. Land, water, air. Three-way to transport. Land transport. Auto rickshaw. This is a auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Car. C-A-R car. This is a car. This is a car. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. This is a train. This is a train. Fire engine. This is a fire engine. This is a fire engine. Tractor. This is a tractor. This is a tractor. Taxi. T-A-X-I. Taxi. This is a taxi. This is a taxi. Ambulance. This is a ambulance. Motorbike. This is a motorbike. This is a motorbike. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. This is a truck. Van. V-A-N. Van. This is a van. This is a van. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. This is a bus. This is a bus. Jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. This is a jeep. This is a jeep. Scooter. This is a scooter. Dump truck. This is an aeroplane. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. This is a helicopter. Water transport. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. This is a ship. This is a ship. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. This is a boat. This is a boat. Yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. This is a yacht. This is a yacht. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.